Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting LeetCode problem number 14 called longest common prefix. In this video, I will first explain the problem, simple words with examples, then we will walk step by step through the solution in C++, understand the logic behind it, and finally test it out. So let's dive right in. The problem says you are given an array of strings called strs. Our task is to find the longest common prefix among all the strings. Now, what is a prefix? A prefix is the beginning part of a string. For example, in the word flower, the prefixes are f, fl, flo, flow, etc. itself. Let's look at the example. Example 1. If strs is equals to flowers, flow, flight, the longest common prefix is fl. Examples 2. If strs strings is equals to dog, racecar, and car, there is no common prefix, so the output is empty string. So basically, we need to compare the strings character by character, stop when characters don't match or any string ends. Return the prefix that matches so far. Now that we understand the problem, let's walk through the C++ solution step by step and see how it works. Here we define a class solution and inside it a function longest common prefix that takes an array of strings strs and returns a string the longest common prefix. First, we check if the input array is empty. If yes, we return an empty string because there is no prefix to find. We use the first string as a reference. We look through each character of the first string, storing each character of the first string, storing the character in variable C. This character will be compared with the corresponding characters in all other strings. Next, we loop through the rest of the strings. If the current index I is greater than or equal to of the size of the string, or the character at this index is different from C, we stop and return prefix found so far using substring 0 and I. If we finish the outer loop without stopping, it means the entire first string is a common prefix, so we return it. Now that the code is ready, let's test it with examples and we discussed earlier to ensure it works correctly. For strings flower, flow and flight, in the characters match F and L or in all the strings. After that, the third character doesn't match. So the longest common prefix is FL. So our output is FL. For strings dog, race car and car, the first characters don't match. So the output is empty string. So the output is empty string. Perfect. The code works for all cases we have tested. And that's how we solve the LeetCode problem, longest common prefix. We first understand the problem with examples, then compare characters of the strings step by step, and finally return the longest common prefix. I hope this explanation made the problem simple and clear for you. If you find out it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.